Is your iPhone keypad or dialpad not working during phone calls? Hi there, this is Arthur. Today I will show you an easy and advanced process to fix keypad not working during iPhone calls on iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches. Try restarting your iPhone if the audio works during screen recording. Solution 2. Update the phone app. Open the App Store, search for phone app, tap on it. If you see any updates available, then please update it. Solution 3. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. By doing this, hope your problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.